Chat, what's good, man? Welcome back. How's everyone doing? Good morning. What's good, Nathaniel? What's good, Geordie? Noodle Holtz, Aditya, what's good? How are we all doing? Chat, come say hi. Welcome back, man. Welcome back. It's Wednesday morning right now. I'm excited. I'm excited to get started. What's good, Malinko? Victory settings. How's everyone doing? Shit, there's loads of you in here right now. Morning, sir. What's good, brother? What's good? What's good, High Life? Omar. Chat, cool. What's good, what's good, what's good? So listen, let me get into a little breakdown real quick and then we'll get started, right? So obviously yesterday, chat, was a crazy day. Yesterday was a ridiculous day. We were just pushing like crazy up and down, right? But we did end up closing bearish below the range. Today's open, you got a small top wick but nothing major, and obviously you are now continuing down. Technically, today on the daily, you do have room all the way down until 2582. But obviously, I don't know if we're going to fill all of that in one day or whether it's going to take a few days or what. But with that being said, right, the 4 hour, you do have a level here at 2608.9. Once you can close below there, you should be clean to continue down, if I'm honest. So obviously, we'll look for sales the moment we do get below there. I think the level's the same on the 1 hour. Yeah, I mean, yeah, we can call it this for the 1 hour now, and we can also have a level just here down at 2606.2. That gives you like 30 pips in between the two, so maybe you can take advantage of that. If not, we'll sort of wait for it to be below there. Otherwise, chat, you are rejecting quite heavily off that level, so if you were looking for buys right now, I would say as a minimum, to be fair, you probably have to wait until you get back up to, I don't want to say up here, I'll probably say 2619.5. Yeah, anything above there, you can take buyers up until 2624, right? But until then, we're in a bit of a no man's land here. And yeah, we should be, you know, just waiting for a closure outside of this range. It is a very large range, right? It's like a 100 pip range. But at the end of the day, once you do close outside of that range, you should be good to fill down. So that being said, chat, very simple plan. Wait for the closures. And yeah, that's it. But listen, how was your guys' days yesterday? How was your guys' London session? If you've traded already, let me know. But yeah, man, it's going to be a good day today, chat. Make sure you stay focused, stay locked in. I've got a really busy day today, but I'm excited nonetheless. I think it should be huge. Good FNAM. Good Nell. How we doing? Okay, chat, cool. And that's it, man. Very simple analysis, but look, realistically, once you do actually end up sticking to these, or like breaking out of these ranges, yeah, you should be chilling. Buongiorno. What's good, Atomic Habit? What's good? What's good? Lovely stuff. Okay, cool. So the 1 hour's flipped here. Interesting. There's a strong rejection too. We'll see what we do here off this range, but it is actually quite a strong rejection. I don't know if it's strong enough to take some buys yet, though. I think you probably have to wait, because I do think you're just sort of struggling here. And you could potentially just be at any point making that lower high to then continue down, remake a lower low, and then obviously continue like that. So with that being said, right, patience is the key right now. I don't see any setups just yet, but you do have a 1 hour close in about an hour's time. And you do also, not in an hour's time, in 14 minutes time. And then you do have a 4 hour close in an hour's time. So yeah, realistically, a lot of potential for today, chat. But yeah, man. Also, I just watched my new vlog with my editor yesterday. That shit's gonna be fire. I'm excited for it. I'm super excited for it. It's gonna be sick. What's good, Kata? How you doing, man? That 5 minute tried to flip here and failed, so it's starting to push back up. Interesting. Realistically, yeah, we just need to wait for some clean setups, but you can see the market structure printing, right, chat? I want you guys to get good at, like, seeing that without even having to, like, think about it. That's when you start to really get good as a trader, is when you can start to see this stuff without even thinking about it. I know it's a very simple concept, right? But it is massively important. Good KB. Caught the freaking top wick of the 4 hour. Clean. Yeah, that's nice, bro. I was looking at sells up here yesterday, to be fair. Like last night. Saw sells from here, but then it would have stopped me out on this wick anyway. That's a W, bro. Congrats. That's a clean trade right there. Like right here, I bet you took it at like 26, 23. So I would have taken it. If that was you. Cool. How you doing, SG? Yeah, I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling. Just ready to get cooking, to be honest. I want to see some nice structure being formed here, some nice breakouts, but yeah, right now it could be a little bit tough. Unless we close strong bullish on this 1 hour, then we could be able to take some buys to continue up, right? Concerned stops are going to be... Stops are alright, actually. Not too bad. Exactly, lol. Yeah, I knew it. I knew it. Louis, what's good? Yesterday I took buys from 26.08 to 26.16. Erased my 5-day losing streaks. See, there you go, bro. All it takes is that one banger trade. Good stuff. Yeah, good stuff, man. Burnt my tongue on my coffee. Always good. It was a good start to the day. Let me see if I can lower this down a little bit. Is that better? Wait. Perfect. Alright, we'll take it. We'll take it, man. For a cigarette. Oh, Eugene, answer me on WhatsApp, you idiot. Look, comes into the stream but ignores me on WhatsApp. What's going on? Got an important quest for you. Alright, chat. 30 minutes, still got no top wick here. Simple good morning would be nice. I sent you a good morning. Silly man. It said oi. Yeah, oi counts. Oi is a term of affection. Alright, chat, look, 8 minutes here to this 1 hour close. What are we going to do? I'm not to burn my tongue on this, but I need it. If you do close bullish here, potentially you could look to take some buys to continue back up off the range. I think we're just stuck here at the minute though. The 5's printing just like a pretty much a range here. Like it gets a little bit difficult if I'm honest. Good, Levi. How's it going, man? Okay, chat. So 7 minutes here. You want to see, realistically, even if this 1 hour doesn't close below, right? You want it to be closing a little bit close to bearish. Like you want to see it somewhat down here. But then the next one, the stops wouldn't be too big once it does close below, if that makes sense. I realistically don't know if we'll get a setup just yet. But with that being said, I think it will print towards the end of London. Good, I took 2 big wins yesterday. Hey, let's go, Levi. Good stuff. Okay, man. What's up, Michael? How's it going? Cool. Alright, chat. So even if the 4 hour doesn't close below, right? If you do get a top wick here, you could attend, like, once the 4 hour closes in an hour's time, obviously. This still is obviously an indication that you have made a lower high here. And you will continue down, right? So once you do get another top wick, we can look to take the sells again. But as I said, right now, it's just a waiting game, realistically. Good, mate. I had a shit round of golf last night. Did 5 holes, lost 4 balls and left. Head wasn't in it, so just sacked it off. Yeah, fair play. That's tough. Sometimes you need to have those rounds though. It's like a reset. I guarantee your next game of golf will be a good game. I haven't played golf in a while, man. I definitely need to play it. Eugene, can you make that or not? Okay, if not, just let me know. I'm done for the morning, had 3 wins. Just wanted to pop on here and spread the love and like the channel. Off to the gym to kill some legs. Hey, let's go, KB. Good stuff, man. 3 wins already this morning. How'd you get even 3 trades? That's crazy. Nah, congrats, sir. Congrats. Wasn't the stream record 36? Yeah, I think it might have been. We look. I feel like it might have been though. You're right. Could be wrong. Or maybe not. I don't know. I'm going to leave it because I don't want to just change it artificially, but maybe. $30 pips long through the night, 49 pips short pre-London, 30 pips long during London, all on GJ. Charts are up on Discord on the win section. Insane, bro. Congrats. That's insane, man. All right. Nice. Nice. Yeah, lovely stuff. W, bro. Congrats. It's great trading. That's great trading. Yeah, chat, by the way, I'm going to be releasing a new playbook very shortly, right? It's going to be sick. I'm having it designed as we speak. It's going to be sick. I'm super excited for it. So I'm going to be releasing a playbook, and then after that coming out is going to be my essentially comprehensive course, if you want to say that. I'd say more like a fucking degree in trading, right? It's going to be next level. But yeah, there's some massive stuff coming out. I haven't told you guys that yet, but I guess this is me announcing it now. The next thing to come out will be the playbook, which you guys are going to love, I'm pretty sure. It's going to be sick. Obviously, it's just going to quantify exactly what trades I do take. And give you guys something to refer back to every time you do want to look to take a trade or look to see if a setup is forming. And then yeah, after that, I'll be releasing like a full fucking degree on trading, man. But yeah, Trendlines Harvard. Yeah, that's hard. Nice. Just checked it. It's 35 papers in the Matrix. Alright, bro. Maybe some Mandela effect. What's good, Seska? Good morning. Okay, chat. So you're just slowly pushing down here. 5 minutes, just slowly cascading down. Not much I can do just yet, but realistically, if you can... Yeah, nah, it's not. This one's not an econ one, unfortunately. Soon. Good morning, G. Spelt crazy. Good morning, fellow traders. May you all have an awesome and prosperous trading session today. May you all earn well today. Hey, thank you, Creed. We've been missing out on those little messages that you do. Those are definitely clean. I reckon they're a good luck charm. We'll definitely get a trade now, chat. But yeah, nice. So, realistically, if you can come down and close below 26.08, then great. You're only like 20 pips away. But it looks like we might just range for a little bit. There is no news today, chat, right? It's still Wednesday, right? I think you have FOMC meeting minutes later. Yeah, but that's not really going to do much. It's at 7. Realistically, price might just be ranging until you have... What, CPI on Thursday. Yeah, so you have CPI on Thursday. You might just be ranging until then. Is my internet bad or stream lagging? Nah, stream's not lagging, bro. Shouldn't be. Very good, sir. Very good. Ready to lock in. Indeed. All right, pushing it up here, chat. So essentially, I think you're probably just making a 1 hour top wick to continue back down. Let's see though. Difficult chat when we're ranging, right? There's not much you can do here. Yeah, realistically, you have to just wait and stay patient. When you start ranging like this, it's more of an opportunity to, you know, be doing other stuff or getting on with some learning or whatever it is, man. Going and watching my course. Yeah, at this point, like, you can't really be taking anything. But once you do get the breakouts, if you're someone who's busy as well, just set an alert on TradingView. Wait till it crosses over, and then you can start to get back to the charts. Obviously, since we're here on stream, you've got an opportunity to ask as many questions as you want. That's a good thing. You can pull up here, ask me anything you need to know. But yeah. All right, cool. Cool. Crazy though, chat. We're almost, what? I think it's like 80 days now to the end of 2025. End of 2024. How many days until 2025? Yeah, 80 days pretty much. 84 days. That's crazy. I swear this year's gone super fast. Gone ridiculously quick. Bear in mind, we started streaming at like the beginning of this year, like February. Yeah, the 1 hour flipped, which is nice. You should realistically see a wick fill here. If you can see that wick fill and then a closure below, even better, right? But you have some time to wait now. You probably have to wait for at least like a 15-minute closure in about 10 minutes time now. Once you get that, you should be good to get some sells regardless. Lord, I'm not profitable yet. KKK, time flying, gotta lock in. Yeah, bro. Don't let the time pressure get to you, but... Oh, 5 no bottom wick. It's not good. Oh, it's not good. Yeah, you're most likely going to continue back up here now, chat. I would say, which is not really what we wanted, but nothing you can really do. Yeah, see, look, it's so clean. Every time you get that no bottom wick, it's so clean. It just pushes straight back up. I think I started to lock in when I started to follow your channel since June. May I just learn and fuck up decision? Yeah, bro. Oh, January to May. Okay. I hear that. Yeah, it's definitely a good, I don't know, I do think this channel definitely helps a lot of people lock in. I'm glad to hear, if I'm honest. Yeah, I'm glad to hear that. Hello, sorry to disturb you. Can you please give me your advice about gold? My advice on gold, what do you mean? Like what I'm looking for right now? I think we're in a range at the minute, and you don't have to say sorry to disturb me. That's good. I like questions. Questions are great. I like when people ask as many questions as they want. You know, that's the reason why I stream. But my advice on gold at the minute is we're in a big range between 26.19 and 26.08. I think we need to break out of this range before we can do anything. But I want to look for... I think we're going to continue down, right? But I can't take any sells just yet until we close below 26.08.9. Once you close below there, yeah, you should be good to continue down. But until then, I just have to wait right now. So that's what we're doing here. Good, Joshua. How's it going, brother? My man got a mini bar on his desk. I know, bro. I always have 3 drinks every morning and a coffee. It's actually worth it, though. It's actually definitely worth it. I'm not going to lie. Cool. Steak and eggs later. That's gonna be sick, bro. Enjoy it. What's good, Bad Dog? Good morning. Thank you very much. Yeah, no worries, Nico. No worries. Welcome to the channel as well, my friend. Feel the 6 incoming? What's that? Are you gonna get ill or what? That's tough. Okay, cool. Wait, Eugene, I'm gonna send you what you asked for just now. Give me a sec. 20 minutes, chat. So you got a 15-minute close here in 5 minutes time. You are pushing back up right now off the bottom of this range, which means there's not much we can do here unless this 1 hour starts to try and flip. You got a 4-hour close in about 50 minutes. It's not looking the best here, chat. Alright, cool. What do we think though, chat? Do you think we range until New York or what? I hope we don't, realistically. I hope we have some ability to continue back down here, but London's been a bit boring at the minute. Yeah, it's been a little bit tough, but realistically, again, as long as you take setups when they form, that's really all that matters, right? So we could sit here all day. As long as you only take a trade when it seems like I'm gonna get an L. Wait, why are you gonna get an L? What did you jump in, High Life? You in sales here or what? Or you might not even be on gold, to be fair. But what I'm saying is, as long as you wait for the right setup to form and then make sure you do take it when it comes, you can't really complain at all. Like, you just can't really be complaining. Even if you get stopped out, right, on that trade, as long as you stuck to your plan, it's not a loss. It closed above resistance at 26.14 on 30 minutes. Would you look for buys? 26.14. No, probably not, bro. Probably not. Just a bit choppy. Like, you got another level here. You've also got another level at 26.16. It's a bit tough in this range, right? Also, if you want buys, right? If you're trying to get a reversal trade, you need a market structure shift. On the higher time frame, we have no market structure shift yet. You know, like, you've come down, made a lower low, then you made a lower high. Technically, I guess if you do make a higher low, then yeah, you could say that's a market structure shift, but not really. You probably need, most likely, like something to come up to at least break this high here. Realistically, a closure above here would be even better to continue back up. But yeah, how does one bounce from a losing streak? That's a great question, guys. I'm liking the questions so far, man. Good stuff. Bouncing back from a losing streak is simple, right? You just firstly, you have to overcome the fear of taking that next trade because you think it's going to be a loss. And once you lose like 3 or 4 trades in a row, you're then scared of taking next trades. Personally, I don't like to drop my risk or anything. I think it's important to back yourself. Don't drop your risk and be scared of like the trade. Just like, you know, double down. Not double down in terms of risk, but double down in terms of backing yourself. Back the strategy. And, you know, understand that, you know, you actually can trade. And at the end of the day, you know, just you have to believe in your system. And then just stay consistent. Once you do get that trade, and especially if it's a win, then you understand that you're good. Don't even try and think about your balance, right? I would like completely disregard your balance. Don't even think about it. It's very important to just ignore that, because at the end of the day, your balance means nothing in relation to your trading. Like, I could have a balance right now of $1, and the trade will play out the same as if I had a balance of $10 billion, right? It's still going to move the same. It doesn't matter how gold doesn't care what your balance is before it moves, right? It moves the same regardless of what your account balance is. So don't worry about whether you're in drawdown or not, and just take your trade the same as you normally would. And that's about it. That being said, I feel like it's a lot easier to get past a losing streak than it is to deal with a winning streak. I think a winning streak's the hardest thing to deal with in trading. You might not know it, like, you might subconsciously not realize it, but when you're on a winning streak, your trading does suffer. Your trading does start to suffer because you start to get overconfident. And yeah. You start to, like, I don't know, just think you can predict the market, etc., etc. Like, when we went on that, like, 36 win streak or whatever it was, even I noticed it in my mind. I was like, oh, okay, like, I can predict this. I don't need to wait for certain things. Obviously, I reeled it back and then was just waiting for the right entries. But you can see that sort of thing start to creep in. You need to be careful of that one too. Yeah, you think you're bigger than the market, exactly. Trade wouldn't play out the same way at 10 billion, because why would you be trading when you have 10 bill? What do you mean, bro? I'm trying to flip that to 20 bill. Don't get me wrong. If I got 10 billion, it's going straight all into an MT5. Going all into an MT5, and it's getting full ported. When it's free fund to give away a result. What's good, Mustafa? Welcome back. Tomorrow, maybe? Tomorrow, man. Oh. Up his back equals big move coming. Yeah, true. Just stick 5 bill on red. Yeah, it's like a money glitch at that point, right? Just stick 2 billion on red. You're going to make money either way. And then you've still got 8 billion if you lose. Simple. But like, yeah, at that point, it's very difficult to lose money, right? Then again, could be wrong. But chat, look, you are starting to push down now, which is good. You did have a 15-minute close, 15-minute close bullish. Now you're getting a bottom wick first. Is interesting. Yeah, we'll see. Hopefully we can just continue down here. Hopefully it doesn't actually need, like, it could be a move just like this, right? As long as this 15 doesn't flip, you should be okay. Again, whilst we're in this range chat, there's not much I can do. If you guys have any more questions though, fire away, right? That's you had some great questions here. I enjoyed that. That was fun. I'm a billionaire, I wouldn't need to use it. I just live off my rich friends' gifts. Yeah, true. Trading with 10 billion, you'd be sending price to wherever you want. Yeah, it's like people who do spoof orders, right? I don't know if you guys have seen that, but like, especially in crypto, but banks will do it as well. Like, I think it's illegal, but I think they still do it. Like, if you put an order up here for like 5 billion in sells, price is naturally going to start to like gradually push back up there to try and fill those orders. So then you get in down here in some buys with a lower price, like maybe 1 billion. And then once, like, you know, once price gets up to here, you just take this order off the table, close full on your buys up here, and you're chilling. That's actually a cheat code. If you've got that much money. Does ICT work on gold? Maybe. I don't know. I don't trade ICT, so you'd have to ask some ICT person. But yeah, I know a few people who trade ICT with gold, so I presume it does. If you trade it properly, though, that's the different thing. ICT person always says yes to every commodities. Do you believe them? Also, you don't need to write in caps. I can see your message still if it's not caps. Oh. Bro, screaming. Chat. Let's try to get to 50 likes as well on today's stream, man. I appreciate you guys for pulling up. Hopefully you guys are learning a lot. Even whilst we have ranging markets, right? You can still come and learn, you know, on these streams. Still very educational nonetheless. That's why I asked a non-ICT trader. No, exactly, bro. Bro, but I don't know because I've never traded it, right? I would say yes, but realistically, if you don't know ICT already, just come and learn the way we trade. The way we trade is way better, way simpler, way easier, and probably more profitable. How come you can see messages when it's not caps? I don't know, bro. But chat, once my new course drops too, the price of the coaching group and signals is doubling, right? Because it's going to be given to everyone in that group for free. So essentially, if you guys do want to jump in there now and secure your lower price, you're going to get in at basically half price. And once that comes out, you're going to get double the value. It's going to be about 40 hours of content, I think, at least. And then obviously going forward, you guys have got me to rely on too. So if you do really want to actually level up your trading, now's the time, right? Don't FOMO in back afterwards when it's like, you know, when it's £100. Okay, chat, 30-minute closing here in 7 minutes. I'm not sure what we'll do here, chat, realistically. I think at the end of the day, 30-minute looks like it's going to close bullish. You got 7 minutes, like we said. That's a long time, though. You do need some volume to pick up, and realistically, 9:30, 10, maybe even 10:30 is going to be when that volume picks up. But, yeah, right now it's not the one. I'd really love to see, like, I don't know, like a month like last month, or maybe the month before, where we were getting, like, 2 trades a day, one in London, one in NY. You know, where it's really, really volatile in each session, a lot of setups, etc. I think that's really like, yeah, that's when trading is obviously the best and the most fun. But obviously, as a trader, you do have to deal with these periods of you know, downtime as well. That's also part of the skill. Is prop firm passing challenge a scam? Some of it is, yeah. A lot of them will be a scam. But some of them also won't be. But you just have difficulty passing the, like, getting a payout, because there'll be different IPs on the account and everything. I wouldn't recommend it, bro. And realistically, if you're trying to get someone to pass your prop, just learn to trade first, because you're not going to be able to secure a payout if you can't pass. Know what I'm saying? Okay, chat, cool. 5-minute closing here. You're closing bullish. Realistically, what you're doing right now, chat, is you're establishing like a little bit of a range between here and here. Right? So you want to see a breakout of that, to be honest. I made good return in my own capital, then prop firm challenges always failed by me. Yeah, it's because prop firms are made to you know, make you fail. That's what they're designed to do. So realistically, you can either adjust to the prop firm rules, figure out why you're failing it, or you can just trade your own personal capital, take your time, deposit steadily with your regular income, and then, yeah, scale that up that way. No one says you have to pass a prop, right? There's nothing wrong with you getting a job, depositing into an account, and scaling it, like, you know, steadily that way. Obviously, compounding your trading returns too. Let's say you start with $1,000, right? If you can just compound like a couple of % every week or every month or whatever, whilst also depositing like, I don't know how much, maybe £1,000 a month or £500 a month or whatever it is, eventually within like a couple of years, you're going to have a decent account. And obviously, if you can continue to compound, it obviously pays out, right? And then you don't have to worry about any rules or anything like that. You don't have to worry about whether or not you're actually going to get a withdrawal, because you can withdraw yourself. You know, like, no one's going to tell me if I'm like, you know, let's think about it this way, right? If today I made 50% on my live account, obviously, like, I'd obviously be over risking, right? But still, if I made 50% on my live account with my regulated broker, I can withdraw that right now, tomorrow, or today even. Like the moment the trade's closed, I can withdraw it. No one's going to say anything. But if I made 50% on a prop account, let's say I have a 100k account, I made 50k. If I withdraw that, they're going to try and throw every single rule at me in the book. Oh, you over risked, you had 2 positions open, you closed the trade too early, you closed the trade too late, etc, 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 right? So like, it's just so much hassle. I realistically think that, yeah, at the end of the day, you can trade your own live account way better. Like, if you are trading a prop, don't get me wrong, it's good to trade a prop, but you should be trading a prop firm account to try and get your live account. That makes sense. But if you can skip that middleman, then why not? Prop firm makes you an employee, but your own capital makes you a king. Yeah, exactly. The prop firm I use has very few restrictions. Yeah, all props do, but like, so some props do, sorry, but the fact that there is restrictions at the end of the day. And what if that prop goes down? What if your prop firm goes out of business? Then what? Which, yeah, like, I'm not against prop firms, like 100%. Like, I'm not against it, but at the end of the day, you know, there's nothing wrong with trading only a live account too. If you do want to get a prop firm account, chat, make sure you go to ACG or Fund a Trading Plus and use code SG, right? You'll get 20% off. If you actually do need to get that prop firm account to scale. What's good though, Ian? Welcome to the chat, man. Alright, chat, 30-minute closing here in 1 minute. Getting some more volume, which is nice. It's very good to see, chat, if I'm honest. I want to see... Let me open my broker. Alright, cool. 30 minutes pushing up here, chat. It's closing in about 30 seconds with what looks like no top wick. Or coming up towards a flip. Love this sound. Yeah, it's a great sound. Sound of money, right? Need a buzz cut? No shot. I'm ever getting a buzz cut, ever. 30-minute close, basically no top wick. Interesting. Might see this push down here. Yeah, what's good, Geordie? How's it going, brother? What are you trading today, SG? I don't know, bro. I might actually have a rest day. I've pretty much... I mean, my plan is... Well, in my split, today is a rest day, so we'll see. Closure above, I think it's pushing up. Yeah, maybe. It closed no top wick, though, so I can't take anything. It might push it up, though. Don't get me wrong. Good, Nathaniel. Liquidity sweep enough for eurjpy to get scalping trade? I don't trade eurjpy, bro, so I don't know, but maybe. It does look clean for some sells if this 4-hour closes below here. I'd be looking at sells right now. Yeah, I'm getting back into crypto as well. I don't know if you guys know this, but I made a lot of money when I was younger trading crypto. Well, not trading, but investing in crypto. So I'm starting to get back into it. If any of you guys are really interested in crypto, or you want to learn more, or you already know a lot, make sure you join the Discord as well, because I'm going to be restarting the crypto section in there. Yeah, realistically, it's time to level up again in the crypto phase too. I think I've been waiting for a while now. I think now is a decent time to re-enter back into the market. I was very heavily involved in the previous bull run, right? So like 2021, 2020. That was my main, yeah, like this period here. I was heavily involved all the way from like down here. And then, yeah, now I've taken some time to sit out. We've been consolidating for a while. I do believe we're due a run back up again soon. So I want to be positioned nicely for that. That's a terrible chart. This is actually a good chart. Chat. This coin right here, FTM, right? This was my main earner back in the day. I bought FTM at 18 cents was my price. I rode it all the way up to $3.29 and then cashed out most of it like somewhere around here, like $2.90 to $3 around there. This was that was like my main earner back in the day. I also had an NFT project on this chain and we sold everything in FTM at around like 50 cents. So I made about 20,000 FTM at 50 cents and rode it up to $3, right? You guys can do the maths on that, but yeah, that was crazy. That was a good time. How much you put in? Not much, bro. Because obviously, like I just said, I had my NFT project, so a lot of it was just earned income rather than like invested. What's good though, Danny? Mr. Mirapura, hi brother, I'm coming to the live stream for the first time. W, bro. Welcome. Bro, you need to stop spamming capitals here. Like, it's not going to make me do stuff more for you. Can you do an analysis for me on the eurojpy? I don't trade eurojpy, bro. So no, the answer is no. Listen, make sure you like up the stream. Way too much value here for you guys not to have clicked that like button. And we're getting close to 5k subs too, so make sure you CQ nah. Just annoying. Make sure you like up the stream though. Make sure you subscribe as well if you're new, man. So much value. Like I said, I've got playbook coming out soon, which is going to be sick. Got my designer on that already. And yeah, as well as that, obviously my course will be coming soon. So make sure you position yourselves, get in the group already before it comes out so that you don't have to pay double the price. I know a load of people are going to see that and want to FOMO in. It's going to be too valuable. Right now, we've got 24 minutes to this 4-hour close, right? So, realistically, we need to see something either out of the range or in the range, right? Or not in the range. Out of the range to the top or out of the range to the bottom is what I mean. If you can close above 26.20, then great. Or below 26.08. TL jumper looking clean for the winter out, bro. Well timed. I know, bro. Yeah, that jumper should be coming out very shortly. I'm gonna check with my potential supplier today, and then there's another one that I'm looking at. I'm gonna get someone to look at for me tomorrow, I think. And that should be, yeah, it should be ideal. I'm excited. Chat, give me 2 seconds. Cool, I'm back. Bro, I pay off my visa application. I actually just got deja vu of you saying that, and then the next message being, do you only trade gold? That's so weird. I don't have deja vu. I feel like you've said that before. Yeah, I do only trade gold, bro. Do, man. What's good though, by the way, Ben? I don't think I said hi to you, but yeah, that the trend lines jumper is gonna be sick, man. Super excited for it. My first ever investment in crypto was I put 700 USD and cashed out 10k. I would have had cashed out 19k at all-time high. That's insane, FNAM. That's huge. It paid off your. Oh, it did pay off your visa application. It's huge. That's sick. All right, chat. You are pushing up here though. Interesting. Obviously, you did close no top wick though, so I do think if you flip, you're probably going to continue down. Again, nothing I can do. I don't like trading the middle of the range, right? It's not the best. I'd rather wait till we tap into the top of the range if I wanted to get some like range plays. That's crazy, F now. Probably don't admit to that on stream, FNAM, though. I'd probably delete that if I were you. That's a confession right there. That's crazy. All right, chat, though. Look, 15-minute close in 6 minutes here. Replying late. I have connection problems. The prop firm I started with started in 2012. One of the first. All right, bro. Well, then that's fine. I'm not trying to talk you out of it. That's a W then. Yeah, good stuff. All right, chap. Re-pushing up here. 5 minutes closing in 45 seconds now. You did flip here, so you might continue up towards the top of the range, chat. The question is just what you're going to do there. Would I go for a Robbins Cup? No. I don't care enough to do that. I actually don't care enough about like. You guys have noticed, right? I don't try and compete with other traders. I don't say I'm better than anyone. I just do not give a shit. Like, I don't care. I just trade because it makes me money. And I like the community that I have with you guys. But I'm not trying to, you know, out-trade anyone. I'm not trying to sell more signals than anyone. I don't care. Like, yeah, tax evasion 101 with FNAM. Yeah, that's funny, bro. I read that. I was like, what? This guy's just... Mayhem. Did I spell it wrong? Oh, I did spell it wrong. My bad. I didn't even see that. Thank you, Matt. What's good though, bro? How you doing? Those above 26.16 on the hourly looks nice. Yeah, it looks okay, bro. It's just... also a 4-hour close, right? I think it'd actually be like here, right? 26.15. I guess you could say, yeah, 26.16. But I'd want to see... I mean, I guess you could look at anything above here, right? On the wait, let me redo the analysis. Chat, sometimes you have to redo the analysis. What's good, Dika? Welcome. So realistically, yeah, I guess you could say below here could above here, sorry, above 2016.7 could be good to take you up towards like 26, 25 around there. I just don't... The thing I have a problem with here is if you try and buy when it's so bearish, you need to see like a market structure shift, right? Like something like this. Otherwise, this could, for all we know, it could just literally be us doing this to come back down, to do this, to do this, to do this, and then to come back down like that. You know, it realistically could be that. So at the end of the day, I need to see some more confirmation. Police guy not in the chat. Yeah, you're probably good, FNAM, don't worry. There's no snitches here either. The other thing we can look for, chat, is if you do close respecting, right? So like obviously the previous candle did close below the level on the 4-hour. If you close now like doji, you could look to take some sells to come back down after respecting the level. we'll see, chat. We'll see. It's not the best formation right now. Well explained, thanks, bro. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, I'm glad I can help. Chat, I'm not gonna lie. If you guys want some positivity out of your day, go and read through the comments on my most recent vlog. That comment section is sick. Like, it's so cool. Everyone was like, I've never actually seen so much positivity on the internet before. Really nice to see, and it really is, you know, a good advertisement for this community in terms of like how well everyone is locked in together. I don't know. It was really nice to see. The stories were inspiring. Yeah, bro. There was a lot of cool stories. I know some of them were like, some of them were definitely to try and like win the giveaway or whatever. But some of them were actually legit stories, and it was just crazy to see. Yeah. Thanks, Noodles. Putting that. Definitely some positivity there. I spent last night replying to every single comment on that video. Every single comment. There was like 70 or something. And I spent like a good bit of time replying to every single one. And yeah. It was definitely nice to see. Yo, what's good, Jar? Good morning, my friend. Oh, speaking of, not speaking of, but you've just reminded me. Chat, if you guys do want to come to this event that I'm going to on the 24th of October in Manchester, I do now have a form for you guys to fill out. The Jar, if you want to come, bro, fill that one out. Yeah, man. Essentially, this is it's basically a trading event. You guys will see it when you click on it, but it should be sick. I'm excited for it. From what I've been told, it's going to be a cool event. But chat, look at this. The 30 minutes starting to flip here, like we expected, right? Especially after that no top wick closure. Those actually look quite tempting right now, but I do understand that it's the last 15 minutes of the 4 hour. I'm chilling, bro. I'm chilling, Jar. How are you, bro? In Warrington? Where's Warrington? Is that not Manchester? Between Liverpool and Manchester. Oh, crazy. Warrington. Are you planning to live stream a bit from the event? You know, I might do, actually. I was thinking about this because there is like a trading desk there that like I'll be sat on for a bit. So realistically, I could set up like a Instagram live or something. Don't know, we'll see. But chat, look at this 30 flip. This looks quite clean right now. If this wasn't the 4 hour close coming up, I'd probably be in sales here. Hey, Rosie, welcome back. Welcome back. Long time no see. How are you? Yeah, I'm good. How are you? Chat, if the 30-minute can close like this would be great. We could take some clean sells to continue down here. But let's see, chat. Only 13 minutes to wait, right? Stay patient. Make sure you've liked the stream as well. It's the most important thing. Jerome Powell just texted me saying if we get to 70 likes, he'll definitely give us a trade. But yeah, now listen, this is a very important closure here, so just stay focused for a bit. Lock it in right now. And yeah, Warrington. Is Warrington nice, Jar? Is it not nice? I don't know what's going on. Meh. Alright. Not much happening there. I hear that. I mean, I don't know. I think this event's going to be decent. Apparently, there's a lot of like relatively good traders. Apparently, bro, there's like going to be some Q&As or some shit. I don't know, man. I've been told to prepare just in, like, not just in case. I've been told that I'm going to be picked on in terms of questions, so I've got to prepare some shit. I don't know. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Locus up. What's good, Handai? Yeah, 11 minutes, chat. You got a 5-minute closure here coming shortly. Realistically, if you can close bearish on the 30, which will obviously also be bearish on the 4-hour, we can wait for a top wick. And then get some sells to continue back down. I do believe at the end of the day, how much do you make a year? Nah, I doubt. Yeah, I doubt it would be that. I do believe, to be honest, as long as you respect these highs here, you should continue down. So we could grab like a wick entry around like 26.21. Maybe you might not even get there. You might just come and grab this wick at 26.20. That'd actually be okay. I'd be happy taking sells from here. What I've seen in the past as well, chat, is a lot of the time that you have a top wick like this, you end up getting a top wick come on the next candle that makes it, and then it instantly reflips down after it's grabbed it. Not saying that will happen, but if that does happen, we can look to take advantage of it. Stay in the night. Most likely not, bro. I'd say. It's on a Thursday, right? I want to be back for stream to the next day, so probably wouldn't. I'd just make the drive back a little later. Not a problem though. I'm trying to convince Mr. Eugene to come. We'll do like a little link up, a whole meet up, Trendlines meet up there for anyone who's sort of, I don't know if there's anyone up north really that watches us. Actually, that's definitely not true. There 100% is, but here he is. Speaking of the devil. Are you from Luton? Definitely not. Definitely not, bro. What do you mean? What was he saying? About this trading event on the 24th. Wolverhampton? No. Both terrible places. No offense to anyone who's from either of those places, but they are. Police. DM me and I'll give you his postcode. You don't know my postcode. Alright, chat. 8 minutes here till the 4-hour close. I'm from WG. Yeah, I do, blood. St. Albans, where the fuck? I've never even heard of that place. Also, even if you get it right, I'm not going to say yes. So there's no point. There's no point in this guessing game right now. All right, 5-minute closed. Opened up bottom wick. Started to flip here. Posh place. St. Albans. In Hertfordshire. Okay. from Hanoi. Hanoi's finest. Alright, chat, you're pushing back up here. Interesting. This 4 hour is really gonna tell you what. Whoa, chat, you got a lot of volume coming into the market right now. This is great. Beckenham Palace. I live in Buckingham Palace. Streaming this from Buckingham Palace right now. In Big Ben, that's crazy. In the clock tower, I'm just looking out on over Tower Bridge right now. It's not Tower Bridge, it's the other one. Basildon. That's an interesting one. Alright, chat, can we see a top wick being made on this next 4 hour open if we close like this? That would be... that'd be splendid, right? Absolutely splendid. That's exactly what I'm going to look for here, chat. Especially, like, obviously if we close bearish right now, all I'll wait for is a top wick and then a continuation down. If we close bullish above the range, though, obviously we might look for buys, vice versa, but yeah, we'll see. A lot of potential here though, chat, so just wait 5 minutes time. We might be able to grab some positions. The 4 hour basically has just made a big range though. Like from this wick to this wick, it's just one big range. We're just going to try and play like the market structure and the smaller range in between it. That's essentially the idea behind this trade, but yeah, we'll see what it does. See what it does, man. 5 minute closing bullish. Okay. Interesting. Otherwise, chat, if we don't get anything, if we don't get anything on this 4 hour, I believe, yeah, we're gonna have to wait. We're gonna have to wait. So I'll probably call it after that, and then yeah, we'll end up. Obviously, I stream NY, chat. If you don't know, so if you don't know, I stream for New York session as well. That's gonna be at 1 o'clock. So in about, what's that? 3 hours time. Otherwise, yeah, make sure you pull up to that. Make sure you like, subscribe. Make sure you turn your notifications on too, chat. Click the little bell icon down in the bottom corner, because a lot of the times we're not getting pushed to sub boxes. We're not getting pushed to, you know, the main homepage, which I don't know why. So make sure you have those notifications on, so that when we do release the weekly vlogs and the obviously daily streams, you guys don't miss out. LASIK, what's good, bro? How's it going? Let's see, chat. 3 minutes to the 4 hour close. Are you actually going to close above? Or are you going to close bullish but below? That might be cooked. We'll see, though. Either way. Does the UK have car glass? You mean like auto glass or what? Like the repair place? I think it's car glass in Germany, right? They have that song. No. What are you talking about? Yeah, we have something similar. Chilling, here to admire some discipline. Yeah, let's go, bro. Definitely got that in abundance here. All over the socials with Unbelief or 20 decks for sale tonight. Bro, that is textbook. Gold is bullish? Nah, it's technically... I mean, yeah, I guess overall we're bullish, but right now I think we have some room to continue back down for a little bit. Eugene got a free suit. Was it tailored? Bad joke of the year. 1 minute chat. 1 minute to this 4-hour close. Let's see what we do. Looks like we're not going to get anything. Let's see. Inventing Anna. Crazy. So you're going to try and push up last minute. 1 hour is not going to be nice if it does close above. The 1 hour's closing basically no top wick at that point if you close above here. What's good, Julian? How we doing, man? Okay, so you close below. 30-minute close bullish though, which is a bit difficult for us. 4-hour candle. Close bullish as well. Bullish doji though. Or I would need a bottom wick in my opinion before it pushes up, right? What I need to see now is I want to see if you can tap into 2619.9, so 2620 basically. Grab a top wick for this previous candle and then reflip. Realistically, you might drive down from here, chat, but I don't think that's a big enough wick on the 4-hour. The 4-hour flips here, chat. Not much I can do. It's not a bad play to take a scalp to get the bottom wick, but at the same time, it's also not a good play, right? Like, yeah, for all we know, it could, you know, rip up another 100 pips here before it decides to make that bottom wick. You don't know how big that top wick's going to be. Especially because you've got no real data in the past to go off of here. And you've got liquidity from both sides as well. You're in the middle of the range, realistically. It gets very tough to trade here. Unless you have clear direction. Like, if this 30 closed bearish, then great. Obviously, we would have looked to take some sells after this candle flipped. But at this point as well, you might start to see the market structure change and become a little bit more bullish, right? You got a higher high, higher low, technically. Yeah, actually, chat, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to call it a day for this session. But chat, I will be trading New York session in about 3 hours time, so make sure you guys do pull up for that stream. Make sure you drop a like on this one, subscribe, all that good stuff. Make sure you're in the Discord. It's completely free. I appreciate you guys for pulling up today. Hopefully you had an educational stream nonetheless. Even though we weren't able to grab any trades, we did have a lot of questions being asked, a lot of value, a lot of education. And yeah, we'll play the pixel letters and then we'll call it a day, man, because, or not a day, we'll call it a session. I'll be back from New York. But yeah, I can't take anything here. This is it's tough to trade. All right, what we're looking at here, chat. PI. Not sure I can type that. Can't be a Y at the end. What's a bigger? I don't know, bro. I don't know what this word is, chat. Someone help me out here. Bro, what could this be? Maybe, oh yeah, true. Alright, alright, alright. Could be like a S. Disco, right? Nah, that was kind of a tough one. What could this be? Yeah, nah. Hey, I want to just do a filler. Wait, what? Is ballet 2 T's? Theme. It can't be. I think it's a Y last. I just wanted to do a filler guess there. It's definitely a Y last. Alright. That tells us something there. Could be a T last, yeah. Wait, what could this be? Is it like a K second or something? Or an R? It's like a K or an R second, right? Drive. Nah, it can't be a V. Hard ones today, you know. Yeah, trust me. What are we looking at here, chat? Alright, that's a filler guess. It's a filler guess. Yeah, drift, bro. Drift is a good guess, Joshua. Whoa. By the way, just so you know, if we did take that 4-hour flip right now, we would have been still in this, and you're likely going to come up and hit stops. That's exactly why we didn't take that just there. Just so you know. Yeah, you would have just come up now and hit stops. No way. I don't know why I had that, but I had that in my head for some reason that it was skier. I've got no clue. I've actually got no clue. Don't. Yeah, chat, you would have hit stops on that trade. That's crazy. Skier, what does that mean? It's someone who skis, bro. What? What do you mean, what does that mean? Alright, chat, look. There you are, look, stops. But that's going to be it from me right now. That is going to be it from me. Hopefully you guys have a good rest of your morning. I'll see you guys very shortly for NY. Yeah, other than that, man, peace out. Much love. See you all later. Bye-bye.